Right. There's the nest is in there. There's the mom and dad. Pretty finches. Really pretty. I'm going to take a picture of the babies. I think they're in here calling their mom and dad. And mom and dad are saying, "Stop it." Oh, no way. No way. 3 babies flew out. Babies flew out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They flew out. There's a baby, and it can't hardly stay on that wire. And the other 2 flew a different place. There's the dad saying, "Hold on, baby, you're okay." Oh my goodness, I didn't mean to disturb them like that. And the other ones went across the street. Oh, now they're... Oh, okay, I better put this nest back. Whew, did not expect that at all. Oh, sorry, babies. They went next door.